welcome back to Ari's Cool Vids. Today, we are going for a walk, and you might be wondering, well, how are you going? It's going to be pretty boring if you're recording yourself going for a walk, but actually, I am going to be riding my bike, and I'm going to be putting you guys in this pocket so it looks like that, and seeing you guys get the whole entire view. It's like you're in my ass, but you're actually just in my pocket. So let's go, and we can get my bike out. I'll put you guys in my pocket for that. My shoes. Come on, turn. Okay, let's put you in. Oh wait, is this? Let's see, is this way better? Right foot up. Let me see. Shut up, bird. Oh, there it is. You know what? I'm going to put you the other way. There it is. So, I'm going to go tell my mom that I'm ready. And yeah. Mom, I'm ready to go. Okay. She said she'll be out in a minute. So, we can go ahead and get on my bike and ride around the cul-de-sac a couple of times so you guys get the view on how it's going to be. And get a view on what it's going to be like. Whoa. Frick. Now that little part was on me riding, and that's what it's gonna be like the whole time. So you guys can. I know I said I was gonna ride around the cul-de-sac, but my friend's little sister's out there, and she loves me, and she's gonna ask me, "Oh, Ari, you wanna play?" And I have to go on a walk, and I don't want to be seen, because then everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, Ari, no, let's go play, everybody." So yeah. So I'm actually recreating this video because yesterday I did a whole 16 minutes on this video, and that whole 16 minutes just randomly got deleted for no reason at all. It just randomly poof disappeared, and yeah, so that's pretty upsetting, and it's very upsetting because I said a bunch of funny things on there, serious things and stuff like that. So yeah. Just waiting for my mom to come out. Whoa, that was a bumpy. Oh, that was really bumpy. Ooh, you want to see my room? Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, God, I lost my shoe. Yes, I did lose my shoe. Right up there's my room. Yeah, that's my room. Oh, the ground is so hot. I can cook an egg on it. Oh, let's go see if she's coming. Whoopsies. I don't even saw you, did it? No.
Yeah.
You can watch this later.
No, baby, I'll
Okay, let's go. She said she's gonna finish watching her show, which is 10 minutes long. Very long time. Come on, Cookie. Gonna put my doggy out here. And alright, my booty cheeks off. Yep, that was pretty much inappropriate. I will get him on the doggies. There and whoa, that was bumpy. I'm gonna show you how to give. Yep. Slide. Basically, I'm saying the way we are about to slide. It definitely will slide. Okay, guys. I'm great. Now they're calling my name. I was about to say, yes, guys, I made it, and I clearly didn't because they're now calling my name and going to ask if I want to play. So I will see you guys when I'm done playing, I guess. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to go. Turn in my pocket, and let's go. Oh, ow. Which way? Boing, 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 boing. Are you recording? Okay, I was gonna say, if you're not recording, it's a world. I will see you guys when she gets here, because it's probably gonna take. Okay, guys, she just got here, so let's go. Push back in the pocket, and booyah! Straight so you can see. Whoa, that is fast. So tall, so you guys can see the whole world. Because I do anything for you guys. My fans, of course. You guys are my only people who aren't subscribed. They probably have the worst life ever. I make your life 20 times better. Don't I? Hey, where'd she go? Saw someone here. Okay, guys, she got here. Go. Let's go. Yeah. I keep having to pause because my mom is like legit so slow. No offense, but yeah. I guess I missed. Woo. Woo. Whoa. Too far. Too far. Woo. 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 Oh, she's here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's wait for her again. Woo. 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 Oh, she's here. Let's go. Wow. Riding my way in Long Town on the sidewalk on a really, really cute bike. I'm a chopper. La 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 la. I'm a cutie. Ba 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 beep ba 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 beep ba ba. Okay, as you can see, she's still all the way back there. So we're going to do. Oh wait, you couldn't see that, could you? Okay. Woo. Woo. Oh, too far, too far, too far, too far. Woo. 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 Oh, she's here. Okay, let's go. Sorry for all the noise, like noise. It's just because you guys are in my pocket, and when I ride, my pocket moves, so it makes so much noise. There's really nothing to hear in here, so if that's annoying you, you might as well turn your volume all the way down because there's nothing to hear here. Okay, since you are real subscribers and you know that I'm starting to do these tricks, you should subscribe, because if you don't, a really, really, really old zombie is gonna come and steal all your brain cells, and you will only have one left. So those other people who didn't subscribe and they're not hearing this, all their brain cells, they're gonna get taken by an old zombie. So thank you guys for being real subscribers, and like this video too, or else she's gonna steal your last one. And yeah, so and yeah, you guys are real subscribers, and yeah, since all the fake ones are gone, yeah, so yeah. Okay, she's here. Let's go. I like to eat pizza and chicken nuggets because they taste so good in ranch. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the pizza tastes good in ranch. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the chicken nuggets taste good in ketchup. Ketchup. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the chicken nuggets taste good in ketchup. Ketchup. Okay guys, she's here. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the pizza tastes good in ranch. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the pizza tastes good in ranch. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the chicken nuggets taste so good in ketchup. Ooh. I eat pizza and chicken nuggets because the chicken nuggets taste good in ketchup. Ooh. Yeah, that was on the song of food combinations I like to get. And yes. tastes like pizza and chicken nuggets and ketchup and ranch. I have no idea. Oh great, my dog's getting barked at by other dogs getting barked at other dogs. ¿Qué? Oh, sí, señorita. Múvete. Oh yeah. Fake subscribers, turn your volumes down. This is only for the real ones. My friend got a YouTube channel like me, and I know. I was stopping. So overprotective sometimes. Anyways, my friend, she got a YouTube channel. It is named the LD Squad, and she makes funny videos. And if you can't find her channel, just search up the LD Squad night routine. And then you go all the way down to this girl, this brown girl, not my skin color, but like darker. And she has black curly hair. And you, even if it says on the bottom, do you mean the gold squad? Don't tap that because it's not. You scroll down to that girl and you tap her video, then you tap subscribe and hit that bell notification to get notification whenever she posts a video. So, like all of her videos like I did, and just show her some support. She only got 2, like, make it up to where I am, all of you 4 subscribers. Go subscribe to her, because like she deserves the love. She's a really nice girl, and yeah, go subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe and you want to see her profile, just watch all her videos, and then you can subscribe if you feel like it. But I would totally recommend it. Yeah. This is getting pretty boring for some of you guys, so if you're bored, just go ahead and leave. You don't have to watch this. There's no forcing to watch this. Okay, once again, you know, subscribe. Is that bug in my mouth? Oh my god, there's a freaking bug in my mouth. It was alive! Yes! I ate a bug. Oh my god, that's freaking disgusting. It was a long bug and it had wings. Okay, you can stop. It was alive. It was crawling in my freaking mouth. This is why I don't ever talk when I'm riding a bike, because this happened to me before with a mosquito. Oh my god, that's freaking disgusting. Ugh. Like this video if you ever ate a bug. Good. Disgusting. It's so disgusting when you eat a freaking bug. I should have showed you guys the bug. Ugh, I need a break. Okay, we're riding again. I'm riding with one hand right now. Let's see if I can ride with no hands. Oh my god, I just did that. Because I'm sick. Oh my dookie malookies, dookie fart. face. That was very, very, very unnecessary. You guys probably heard the whole time. It's never been my song. You're supposed to be. Okay, bye. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh! You can't stop burping, dude. You can do anything you want when you sex. Right? Isn't that true? Okay. They say on TikTok. I have to shut up because there's nuts outside. Ew, there's an ant. It's gonna watch me kill the ant. You guys might think this is hard. Where did it just go? Oh, you guys might think this is hard. Where the frick did it go? Wait, where the heck is it? Okay. Wait. You guys might think this is hard, but I really don't care what you think. Wait, where the frick is it? The street. Kill it, I don't care. God, it's going crazy. Kill it. Ooh, I killed an ant. You guys can't see it, but I killed an ant. I'm going all the way home. Do anything you want when you sex. Because I'm sexy. That's why all the boys like me. I'm just kidding. I had like 3 boyfriends in my life. Like 3 people who like me and I like them back, so we call each other boyfriend and girlfriend. My first one was actually named, I couldn't remember, because there's this family of 5 and they have 1 girl and 2 boys, and the oldest boy and the youngest boy have a crush on me. The oldest is like the oldest of them all, and the youngest boy is like the middle, and the girl is the youngest. Yeah, so the oldest boy and the youngest boy, their names was William and Samuel. And they both had a crush on me. And at one time, they were both fighting over me. So I had to choose, of course, well, not of course, but I did choose Sam first. Then, after, 11 months, he punched me in the face, so I broke up with him. And then, Will, we got together, and then, I actually had more than 3. I had, 1, 2. I actually had 5. One of them was named Alexander. We got together in kindergarten. And then, of course, Samuel, and then William. And then, I don't know if me and Will broke up, and if we didn't, I cheated on him. Because, I got together with somebody else, and his name was Emiliano. And he, once again, was the oldest of the other 2 siblings, another boy and a girl. Why am I talking about my relationship life? If you guys think this is weird, you guys can skip. Yeah, and then people kept asking, are we together? Are you guys together? Are you guys together? Are you guys together? Because I somewhat told a little bit of people. So then at one point he said no. So I was like, oh, well, I guess we're not together anymore. And then I found out the new kid, his name was a Johnny. And yeah, we're dating now. So I'm gonna go play with my friends because we just got back from our walk. And I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this. They're calling my name. Leave a like and I'll see you guys.